Friends, welcome to today's class. In this class, we deal with the magnetic field around a circular loop or a coil. See, this is a circular coil in the form of a loop actually. I have used number of turns of insulated copper wire, and one end is here and another end is here. Current is passing through the coil. It can be connected in both the ways. If we connect this end positive and this end negative, current will pass in this direction, so it is clockwise direction. If we pass electric current from this positive to this negative, current will pass in this direction, then it will be in anti-clockwise direction. We will see the magnetic field around this coil or circular loop by doing an experiment. This is a coil. It consists of a few turns of insulated copper wire. This is an example for circular loop. Here two ends are there. We can connect these two to our electric current. Here red is positive. If we connect positive here, current will move in this direction, that is anti-clockwise, and here negative, circuit is completed. And if we interchange, current will be in this direction, that is clockwise direction. Anyway, let us see how magnetic field is produced around the conductor when current is passed through this. And we have fine magnetic substance iron filings here. And I just sprinkling this magnetic substance particles, iron filings, very fine iron filings. Okay, you might have seen how these particles are there. These are all magnetic substance particles. Now, we pass electric current through the coil. Just observe what changes are happening here. Now, I am just thudding on it, or just make some vibrations. Can you see that the formation of magnetic lines around that coil? So wonderful, no? Very awesome it is. Good. We are getting exactly what we see in the figures. This is the magnetic lines around a circular loop. Here we get concentric circles on both the sides, and here some straight magnetic lines. And if you do the same experiment interchanging the polarity, let us see how we will get it. Now I interchange the connection, positive here, negative here. What is the direction of electric current through the coil now? It is in clockwise. Previously it was in anti-clockwise. Now it is in clockwise direction. And we do the same experiment. We repeat the same experiment. We sprinkle the magnetic particles. Okay. Now we switch on and do the same. See, once again we got the same pattern. Concentric circles on both sides and center parallel lines. Is it not the same?
Yes.
Yes, the same pattern we got. In clockwise as well as anti-clockwise, the pattern remains the same. On the board, you can see a pattern that we have just now seen on that board. See concentric circles and both sides concentric circles and center some straight lines, and this is the loop, and down we are connecting to positive and negative, and if we connect positive here and negative here, current moves in this direction, and if positive is here and here, it will go in this direction. Now what is the direction? Positive here means it is clockwise, and if positive here, it will be in anti-clockwise. But we got in both the cases same pattern. But do you think in both the cases we are getting same polarity here and here? May not. So that we have to see in another experiment using magnetic needles, that experiment, and how we find out the polarity of this pattern, that we will do in our next class.